The Settings tab is where most of our customization is going to happen. For optimal experience, please be sure that you set everything that is going to apply to your business. You'll notice on the left here we have the VAT ID and your business registration number if you have one. You'll want to populate those. Neither of them are required, but it would be helpful if you had those in there. You can set your currency. If you click on the drop down, you'll notice that we have several loaded in here for you. We've chosen the United States dollars. Now we have our tax values that you can populate as well. You can put the labels on there. If you have a second tax label, that is also available. We have our date format. By default, we have it in the day, month, year format. But if you click on the drop-down list, you'll notice that you can also set that for the month, day, year format. The number of records per page can be chosen. So you can choose how many items you want displayed on each page. So if we're looking at our invoices, do we want 10, 15, or even 100 items listed on each page? You have a footnote that will appear on the bottom of each invoice. You can populate that information. We actually have 2 lines there that you can add, so you've got a second note there. There is an invoice note. What you'll want to do on this is make sure that you set this to your default invoice note. As you work on each invoice, you can customize this and change it, but this is going to be your default so that you don't have to retype that every time. If you'd like your payment information, such as your bank account details, to appear on your invoice, you'll want to populate your payment information field. Now, from this point down, you'll notice that there are several boxes that can be populated. These are related to email messages that can be sent out for your invoices. It looks a little cryptic here, but if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll notice that you have your legend variables. So this underscore invoice underscore number underscore is going to output the invoice number of the invoice being sent. Once you have everything in there that you want, go ahead and click on Update Preferences, and everything will be saved in there. For any additional help on working with the legends and variables in your messages, please contact our support center.